What's the meaning of agro-industrial? Agro-industrial. 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 Agro-industrial refers to the combination of agricultural and industrial activities. This term is used to describe the various processes involved in the production of food, fuel, and other products from agricultural raw materials. The result of agro-industrial activities is the creation of value-added products that can be used for consumption, industrial processes, or other purposes. Agro-industrial activities are a vital part of the economy in many countries, particularly in developing regions where agriculture is a primary source of income. They play an essential role in food security, job creation, and overall economic development.